Hello everyone, welcome back to Shamish Learning. I'm Sabaish Abdi and today I'm going to teach you how to draft patterns for a newborn baby's body, sleeves and pant. This is a simple and detailed guide to help you create accurate patterns for your little one's outfit. So let's get started. Let's begin with the body pattern. Start by marking the shoulder width, which is calculated as shoulder measurement divided by 2. My measurement is 6.5 inches, so 6.5 divided by 2 is equal to 3.25 inches. Next, mark the body length at 8 inches from the top of the shoulder. For the front neck, mark the neck depth as 2 inches and the neck width as 1.5 inches. Here I calculated the neck width as chest round divided by 12, which gave me 1.4 inches, but I have rounded it to 1.5 inches for simplicity. From the neck point, drop the shoulder by 0.5 inches to create a natural slope. Now mark the armhole depth. To calculate this, divide the armhole circumference by 2. So 6.5 inches divided by 2 is equal to 3.25 inches. Mark this point and draw the chest line across. On the chest line, mark 3.25 inches, the same as the shoulder width for the armhole curve. To shape the chest and waist, divide the chest round by 4. So 17 divided by 4 is equal to 4.25 inches. Mark this on the chest line. Divide the waist round by 4, so 18 divided by 4 is equal to 4.5 inches. Mark this on the waistline. For the back neck, mark the depth as 1 inches while keeping all other measurements the same as the front. Now use a French curve or freehand to draw the neck and armhole shapes. Your front and back body patterns are now ready. If you didn't add seam allowance on the pattern, you can add it directly while cutting the fabric. I will show you a quick clip of how to place and cut fabric using this pattern. I have not shown the full fabric cutting process, but this short clip will give you an idea. So here it is. Now let's draft the sleeves pattern. Start by drawing a guideline as a base for your drafting. To mark the sleeve cap length, divide the chest round by 12. So 17 divided by 12 is equal to 1.4 inches. I have rounded it to 1.5 inches and draw a horizontal line at this point. On this 1.5 inch line, divide the armhole circumference by 2. So 6.5 inches divided by 2 is equal to 3.25 inches. Mark 3.25 inches on the line. From this point, draw a slant line connecting it to the guideline. Next, mark the sleeve length at 6 inches from the guideline. Divide the slant line in half and use a French curve or your hand to create a smooth armhole shape. Once the drafting is completed, cut the sleeve pattern along the lines. Your newborn baby sleeves pattern is now ready. Finally, let's move on to the pant pattern. Start by marking the waistline. Since I'm using elastic, I calculated the waist measurement as hip round divided by 4. So 19 divided by 4 is equal to 4.75 inches. If you are not using elastic, you can calculate this using the waist round divided by 4. Marking the pant length as 10 inches from the waistline. Mark the ankle measurement by dividing the ankle round by 4. So 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 inches. Now calculate the crotch length as 1/3 of the hip round. So 19 divided by 3 is equal to 6.33 inches. I have marked it as 6.25 inches. Draw a crotch line at this point. On the crotch line, mark the same hip measurement as the waistline, 4.75 inches. Join the waist to the crotch point. Add 0.5 inches outward from the crotch line to shape the crotch curve. And that's it, we have completed drafting the patterns for a newborn baby's body, sleeves and pant. Up next, I will show you how to create matching caps, mittens and shoes to complete the outfit. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.